Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie Dang and I am a registered dietitian from Vancouver Dietitians. Now today I will be doing a follow along cooking video for you guys, and I will be using Alligga flaxseed oil. Alligga flaxseed oil is made with cold pressed, non-GMO flax seeds and can withstand cooking temperatures of up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I love flaxseed oil. It's a really great source of those omega-3 fatty acids, but regular flaxseed oil has a low smoke point. This flaxseed oil has a much higher smoke point, 482 degrees Fahrenheit, and therefore can be used in high heat cooking. So things like barbecuing, high heat roasting, and stir fries. Now, the reason why it's important to use a high smoke point oil when doing high heat cooking is because once you exceed that smoke point of an oil, this is when things start to break down. You lose the health benefits and also can create carcinogenic compounds. So we will be making a tomato vodka penne using gluten-free pasta. Feel free to use gluten-containing pasta if you wish. And so let's get started. Red chili flakes, butter, fluid whipping cream, basil. Unfortunately, they didn't have any fresh basil in stock, so I'm gonna try this out. Shallot or onion. We have some Parmesan cheese, we have garlic, tomato paste, we have the Alligga flaxseed cooking oil. This one is the organic one and this is the non-organic. We also have the Alligga ground flax seeds here for some extra fiber and omega-3s. We have our brown rice pasta and also our arugula. So we have our pot of salted water. We're gonna bring that to a boil. And then we have our 4 minced garlic cloves and 1 shallot or onion diced up, and we are going to add half a cup of the Alligga flaxseed oil. And we are just going to cook this for roughly about 3 to 5 minutes, just depending on when the onions start to become translucent. I just added in my tomato paste along with the water. I'm going to now add in my teaspoon of red chili flakes. Now this really depends on how spicy you like it. Remember, you can always put more in after, but you can't take the spice out. And then I'm also going to add my flax seeds in here. And then we're going to just add the vodka. So about 3 tablespoons. And this is definitely optional if you want to leave that out, but we will end up cooking out all the alcohol. So I just let this simmer on medium-low for about 4 minutes. And now I'm going to add in my heavy cream, and then we are going to add salt and pepper to taste. So I have reduced the heat to low, and my pot of salted water has come to a boil. So I added in the pasta, and I've set the timer to 1 minute less than package directions. So it says to cook for 7 minutes, and I have set my timer for 6 minutes. Now it's important to remember that don't strain the pasta once it's done. I want you to save about a half cup, maybe 3/4 of a cup of pasta water. A half a cup of pasta water. I put my pasta directly into the sauce. I'm gonna put this in here now. I have my Parmesan cheese, which I'm also going to add in there. Let me just stir this in a little bit, and let me add my butter we've got here, and I'll just stir this all together and let you guys know what it looks like. This is looking really good. I have my basil here. Of course, use fresh basil when possible. I'm gonna see how this stuff works out. I'll just kind of add, I like it to be pretty basil-y, so I'll start with that. You just have to season a little bit more with salt and pepper. And now this next step is definitely optional. I tend to like to do this just to get some extra greens in there. But I'm going to take my baby arugula, just kind of grab a handful and pop it in here, and it'll kind of cook down a little bit right into the sauce. And sometimes I like to use a little bit as a garnish as well. So I'll just mix this all together and then show you guys what it looks like. And voila, there we have it, our tomato vodka penne using gluten-free pasta and the Alligga flaxseed oil. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for tuning in.